Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the construction that's going on in New Kingston. The residential part in New Kingston, a lot of apartments are going up. Some very large complexes. So we're going to take a tour and look at the construction of the New Kingston apartments. Okay, straight ahead now is the Via at Braemar. Very nice building. It's almost complete, but where you see the zinc on the left, it's another apartment structure that's going up. And as they build them, they're rented or sold. It's a very nice view. Via at the Braemar. Alright, so we're going to look at the largest apartment building in Jamaica now. And that one is called the Cambridge. But in this area you're going to find a lot of residential homes. On the right, that's another complex. Then where we turn left here now, you're going to see the Argyle. This is one that was built recently. So a lot of construction or a lot of development is going on in this section of New Kingston. And New Kingston itself is the business capital of Jamaica, you could say. Some refer to it as the Jamaican Wall Street. So across Trafalgar Road now you have more other corporate offices like Knutsford Boulevard. You have a lot of corporate offices, banks, everything to do with business you find over there. Well, on this side you find mostly apartments. Okay, so on the left is the Cambridge that's being built. Let's just turn around here. Okay, so the persons that are building the Cambridge built this one here, the Hampshire. This was the first development they did. And if you notice, it has the same color scheme, and it did very well. So they decided they were going to build an even bigger building next time. So they are now building the Cambridge. And real estate in the New Kingston area is very expensive. The Cambridge, the apartments go for they start at about 180,000 US. There are 1 bedrooms and some are 2 bedrooms. Okay, this is a very nice view. It's 2 buildings. As I said, this is just one. This is the largest apartment building in New Kingston, but there are many more going up. So let's take a look at the others. So that's the Hampshire, the blue one, the burgundy looking one is the Argyle. And New Kingston is such a busy place. They have hotels. Actually, the largest hotel in Jamaica is in New Kingston. And sometimes you can't get a room. There are like 4 or 5 large hotels in New Kingston, and they're booked out so many times. So a lot of persons buy these apartments and rent them out through Airbnb. Okay, this is another apartment complex going up on the right. one is still under construction. Alright, we're going to turn back. Okay, no, we're going to just drive around. Alright, so we're going out to Lady Musgrave Road, and then Lady Musgrave Road will take us on to Trafalgar Road. Now straight ahead on the right is the AC Hotel, and it was recently built. It's a large hotel. The Pegasus is bigger, however. And straight ahead on the left where you see the zinc fence going up, but that's going to be more apartments. Alright, so we're now on Lady Musgrave Road and we're heading towards Trafalgar Road. Alright, so we now turn onto Trafalgar Road. Now at this stoplight, if we turn left, we'd go on to Worthington, and that will take us down to Belmont and then Oxford Road. But if we turn right here, that will take us back to where we're coming from. That turn right, we go on to Musgrave Road, and that is where you find the Cambridge and those other apartment buildings. And if you continue straight, you head into the business side of New Kingston, which is on the left of Trafalgar Road now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.